Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of email marketing for beginners. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, we've got some valuable tips for you. So, let's jump right in. First and foremost, it's important to know that email marketing is not about selling products. Instead, it's about building authentic relationships with your subscribers. Share your story and create a community around what you do. By doing this, your subscribers will be more likely to stick around for the long haul. Now, let's talk about frequency. How often should you be sending emails? Well, it depends on your industry and the quality of your content. Remember, consistency is key here. Don't start off strong and then fizzle out after a few weeks. Stick to a regular schedule and adjust as needed based on your engagement metrics. Lastly, let's talk about the subject line, the most important part of your email. Keep it short and sweet, but also personalize it whenever possible. Just avoid overdoing it with the emojis. And there you have it, folks. Those are some quick tips for beginners in email marketing. We hope you found them useful. Don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it, and hit that subscribe button for more content like this. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next one.